Hi, and welcome to Backyard Effects, the show that takes the guesswork and the price tag out of homemade effects. I'm Nick Latime. Now, you may be wondering, where's Eric Beck? Well, I'm going to tell you the same thing I told the police. I've never met the guy. That was probably just the water softener. Today on Backyard Effects, I'll show you how to create an air cannon so you can make safe, cheap, and on-screen explosions. Let's go shopping.
3-inch diameter PVC pipe, 2-inch diameter PVC pipe, 3-inch to 2-inch reducer, 3-inch end cap, 2-inch angled coupler, 2 threaded 2-inch adapters, PVC primer and PVC cement, 2 1-inch diameter threaded steel nipples, 1 bicycle inner tube, a solenoid valve, 3 9-volt battery harnesses, a momentary push button, and a project box. Prostic! Start by cutting your 3-inch diameter PVC pipe to 24 inches. Then cut your 2-inch diameter PVC to roughly 4 feet. Now cut the fill nozzle of the tire inner tube, leaving an inch of rubber just around the nozzle. Then drill a hole just wide enough for the nozzle to fit through in the end cap. Now superglue the nozzle in place and reinforce with duct tape.
Simple time lapse! Woo!
Now cement the end cap to the 3-inch diameter PVC pipe, followed by the 3 to 2-inch reducer and threaded adapter on the other end. Then, using pipe sealant, attach both 1-inch steel nipples to each end of the solenoid valve. Now cement together the barrel assembly and screw it all onto the nipple on the solenoid valve. With everything cemented and assembled, it should look like this. Now take your project box and drill a small hole in the back, just big enough for 2 wires. Now attach your 9-volt batteries to the battery harnesses and strip the wires. Then drill a hole in the lid of the project box for the momentary push button. Now attach all 3 batteries together and attach one end to one prong of the momentary push button. Then attach one wire to one prong of the momentary push button to the solenoid valve and one running from the battery to the momentary push button, completing the circuit. Now when you're done cementing everything, one thing you're going to want to make sure you do is duct tape the entire air reservoir. PVC can become brittle over time, so this will help maintain its structural integrity. It may not look that pretty, but it's not going to be competing in any beauty contests. Now remember, never fill the air reservoir over 60 psi because anything higher than that can damage the PVC and could potentially damage you. Now, to fill this thing, you're either going to need a bike pump or this guy, which is an electric air pump. Now, to fill the air cannon, you're going to want to take the cap off of the bike pump, obviously, attach a nozzle to the back, turn on the air compressor,
as soon as we're done
covering that dork walking through the snow out there. Hey, what is he doing? Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. A Hulk.
Snow.
And there you have it, a relatively safe, cheap, and effective way to create on-screen explosions. Thanks for watching. I know what you're thinking, don't worry. I'm pretty sure this is a tranquilizer dart.